The blockchains have overflowed the money scene, and the monetary environment is loaded with isolated individual small-scale tokens that have made the digital currency ecospace very divided. Consequently, the whole usefulness of FTX token depends on making itself genuinely remarkable, beating the rationalist crypto scene. With an exceptional spotlight on giving force to digital currencies, FTX has arisen as a clever trade in the cryptographic money section. FTX token offers dealers an extraordinary platform that rouses their dedication and offers power-stuffed highlights that are unfathomable in ordinary cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin money, and others. Before we start with FTX token cost expectation, how about we actually look at FTX token outline? FTX token, the group, upheld by a group of devoted experts who are involved with their commitment to specialized mastery on blockchain calculations. FTX token specialists work nonstop. The organogram begins with chief and pioneer Sam Bankman-Breuel, trailed by CTO Gary Wang, President Brett Harrison, and Kusina Nader. FTX token, the excellent attributes. FTX token gives a multi-pronged benefit to every one of its financial backers to trade FTX, thinking of it as a productive venture. Dealers are certain of getting an incentive for their cash exchanging FTX, more well known as CoinFTT. FTX token offers versatility and speed, as well as viewed as dependable and reliable. Counting an exceptionally constructed FTX token and cold wallet arrangement, full outer support of all FTX wallet assets, and associations with industry-driving caretakers, FTX token has a benchmark of industry devotees. Combination of stablecoins has given FTX token an edge to give extra liquidity, empowering a quicker and more secure exchanging experience. Different functionalities too, like withdrawal, store, and easy-to-use exchanges, are only a portion of the many elements FTX token comes outfitted with. FTX token, the corporate social obligation. The non-benefit arm of FTX token backings guideline and consistent as the standards to be executed in the whole environment of FTX token. Being a key role player, FTX establishment has teamed up with associations across the world to bridle the capability of moderate innovation. The administration structure is comprehensive and catch-safe. The main individuals from long-range and formal communication for good cause incorporate the human association, the open simulated intelligence that give well groundwork, and charitableness. FTX token is the trailblazer in high regard, principally on the grounds that more than being simply a stage for lodging a local token FTT, it turns out to be more versatile than other digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum in the cryptographic money market. All things considered, as far as return of speculation of last year, Ethereum beat FTX, and you can check Ethereum cost expectation here. FTX token, authentic information and specialized examination. FTX token has made it a leader in cutting-edge arrangements. This vanguard innovation has become effective in breaking liberated from the traditional approaches of exchange. On the lookout. FTX token's local cash FTT that is exchanged on different trades by a great many clients overall is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of speculation commendable monetary forms. The idleness that at first played for the FTX token is no more there, as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers as well as brokers. Throughout the course of recent months, the cost of FTX token has shown a huge cost increment. During the last month, the FTX token has enlisted an unequaled high at $63.08. Nonetheless, from that point onward, the FTX cost confronted a sharp dive, and right now, it exchanges around $34. A regularly and distinctly noticed characteristic of FTX token cost in the cryptographic money market is that it has shown the most unpredictable and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear, nailing down development. As a guileless contestant, this crypto resource is yet to build up some forward momentum of financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its innate potential. FTX token value expectation, market feeling. Presently, the cost of FTX token stands at $40.69 with a market cap of $5,627,206,535.41 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $126,810,407.40. The coursing supply of FTX tokens in the market is 137,695,377 FTT. Despite the fact that it is a late contestant on the lookout, it has a crypto resource terminology. The cost figure specialists are very hopeful. In light of our conjecture framework, a drawn-out increment is normal. The FTX token cost visualization for 2026 is $213.22. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 423.75%, regardless of its reception according to specialized investigation. The FTX token cost confronted heat till Jan 2022, going by cost expectations that bulls might be back. FTX token cost ought to wind up somewhat higher, say by 2024, $71.80, best case scenario. The cost of FTX token is by all accounts showing positive condition. It might offer impressive revisitations of its financial backers by stretching around $57.32 toward the finish of 2022. By virtue of our expectations, it is the best chance to purchase FTX token at the least cost, being founded on our forecasts. The FTX token cost could cross the $80.50 cost mark toward the finish of 2022 and $355 toward the finish of 2025. A ton of FTX token ventures are moving from idea stage to testing stage, and before the year's over, a lot of undertakings would have been finished. Subsequently, an inside-and-out bullish value expectation of $52 giving FTX token a decent worth. FTX token value expectation 2022, keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that FTX token is ready for a rise even in the following year, for example 2022, with enough volume and supply. Keeping in context the series of successive pinnacles and box, the cost for FTT just keeps on demonstrating a positive pattern among the subsiding pandemic situation, contacting the $57.32 mark. FTX token value forecast 2023. Regardless of whether finding rivals clears a way for FTX token speculations a piece troublesome, it would cause a misfortune yet just pitiful, dropping to $62.21 on the cost diagram. Be that as it may, this stays as a negative situation, and a few specialists don't anticipate this condition for speculation counsel. FTX token value expectation 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is normal that FTX token will manage the crypto graph with a presentation of cost fixed at $78.46. This is a practically identical development proportion that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows FTT can possibly support itself in the market of advanced resources. FTX token value forecast 2025. As per our drawn-out forecasts, 2025 could stamp as the benchmark year, as FTX token cost is anticipated to outperform $91.99 definitely. With mass reception, FTX token cost is assessed to stretch around $91.99 max by 2025 on the outline. An ascent in cost and interest for the digital money more than ever in the crypto market, turning it a wise venture. FTX token value forecasts 2026. FTX token kept its energy on the up and up. Afterward, it has helped the market opinion peculiarity radically from the outset of this current year. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on long haul for FTX token cost development, following it intently, uplifting, expressing that it could leap to about $78.74 toward the finish of 2026. Is it productive to put resources into FTX token?